Do you need a Massachusetts Department of Children and Families defense lawyer? Many times, clients take on DCF by themselves. And they get what I call, when I get back to reports later, diarrhea of the mouth. And I wish I could just hand them a roll of toilet paper so they'd shut up. I wish I could stick it right up their mouth so they'd shut up, so they'd be quiet. Because what they do is they blah, 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 blah. And they think selling themselves to DCF is going to win the day. Not. And it's dangerous because then everything you say to DCF goes where? To the government. So who's the government? DCF's the government. So is the schools. So is the local, state, and federal police. Hello. As well as the district attorney and the courts. All the courts is the government. It's a branch of the government. So you have to understand when you're talking and talking and talking, you're not doing one other thing, which is huge. You're not listening. You can't listen if you're talking. So you have to do what? Be quiet. Less is more. The less you say to DCF, the more likely you're going to get out from underneath. Recently had a client. She went to the hospital and told DCF everything about her husband. He was rushed there because he fell down. While I was at the hospital, the mother said some things she shouldn't have said. That was none of anybody's business. She was so anxious, so confused, and so overwhelmed. She just was talking. Instead of listening, and listening. That's the key. I can't begin to tell you how many times people, as soon as DCF shows up, they forget they're a human being. They forget they're a person, an individual, and that a conversation is a two-way street. When one person talks, the other listens. And they just start talking. Blah, 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 blah. And they talk, and they talk, and they talk. And they talk themselves right into a supported decision of abuse and neglect against not only them, but also the whole family. They incriminate everybody because they thought they could sell the story to DCF. Big mistake. They're not your friend. They're not a good neighbor. And they're certainly not your ally. And everything you tell DCF will be used against you in a court of law. Whatever court you're in, they're going to take it back and it's going to be used against you. So please do not get diarrhea of the mouth. I don't want to be throwing toilet paper at you.